For this problem, we're supposed to simplify this and write it as a mixed expression. So the first step would be to take each of the parts of the numerator and write it over the denominator individually. Because when you have a denominator, technically it's dividing every single piece. All right, so now that I've written each part of the numerator divided by the denominator, I'm going to simplify each part. So in my first part, my x's will divide, and my x cubed will become an x squared because of that x. So I'll have y squared over 7. Plus, my 7's will divide. I have one x in the bottom and 2 in the top, so I'll be left with just an x in the top. I have 2 y's in top and 1 y in the bottom, so I'll be left with just a y in the top. So actually, I don't even need this division bar. It'll be just plus x, y. In this last one, I have a 14 on top and a 7 on the bottom, so that'll divide to a 2 on top. The x, y don't simplify at all, so those will stay in the bottom. So this is what my final answer would look like, which would be answer choice C.